Hi guys, Omar here, and recently I updated my S9 and it went sluggish for some reason. So I was doing some research online and stuff, and this is what you need to do if you have the same problem. So to update your phone, all you do is you go into the settings and you just search for software update, and that will bring you to the actual menu. You select it, install the update if there is one, obviously, and you just restart your phone as normal. The problem is sometimes your phone gets sluggish for whatever reason. I'm not sure the technicality behind it, and you need to do some extra things. This is what I did to solve my problem. Okay, so the first thing you do is you power off your phone. And then this configuration is only for the S9, so you'll have to find the button configuration for whatever phone you have. Once the phone is off, then it might be best to hold the phone landscape. And then all you do is you've got power button here where my thumb is. You've got a Bixby button here, volume up and down. So you do the Bixby button and the volume up key together first, and then you hold down the power. So Bixby button, volume up, and now power. Once the phone turns on, like so, you keep on holding it down. And then when you see the blue screen, you let go of the power. Then you see this menu here. Let me just focus on. So you see this menu here, and essentially it gives you some vital information. You can reboot, you can flash the firmware and all that kind of stuff. You use the up and down keys for the volume to navigate and the power key to select. So for example, if you want to reboot, you'd select that and then you'd go and hit the power on the right. So we will go down and we will wipe the partition cache, right? So, and then it gives you a warning, this can't be undone, but we're okay with that. Hit yes, and then on the bottom, you get this message saying wiping cache, formatting cache, and then cache wipe complete. And that means that basically you're done with what you need to do here. Then all we do is we reboot the system. And then that just reboots the phone. And what this means now is that the phone will load the partition cache, the cache where all the software updates are sort of unpacked and installed, will actually be wiped. So that was just a quick look at what to do if your phone is sluggish after an update. Check out the other videos in the playlist. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.